student, welcome to our virtual class. This is my second video about suggestion and over. Last week, I have told you about suggestion, so now I will tell you about offering help. Check it out. Offering help is an expression to offer help to someone. The purpose is to offer assistance for someone who is doing something politely. There are some useful ways of offering help. The first one, you can say, "Let me get it for you," or "Let me help you." Can I help you with that? Is there anything I can do for you? And then, what can I do for you? May I take your luggage? Can I give you a hand? Or you can say, would you like me to help? And now, how to accept and offering help. There are some ways that you can use. The first one, you can say, "That's very kind of you, thanks." "Oh, would you? Thanks." "Thank you." "If you don't mind." "Yes, please." And "that would be nice," or "that would be kind." And the last one, "That's so sweet." And this is the example of accepting an offer. Can I get you something to drink? You can respond by, "Yes, that would be nice. Thank you." Or another example, "May I get you some to drink?" And you can respond by, "Yes, I'd love to get some tea." Okay. But if you want to refuse or decline an offering help, you can say, "No, thanks." "No, I really won't. Thank you." "Not for me. Thanks." "No, thanks, I'm not hungry." "Thank you, but I am on a diet." Or you can say, "That's very kind. Unfortunately, I'd like to, but," you can tell the reason. And here you can see some example of refusing an offer. "Would you like some cookies?" If you want to decline or refuse, you can say, "Thank you, but I am on a diet." And the second one is the second example of how to refuse or decline an offer. You can say, "How about a cup of tea?" You can respond by, "I'd like to have a cup of tea. Unfortunately, I am late for a meeting, so maybe next time." And this is a dialogue about how to offer a help. "Excuse me, miss, may I help you?" "Oh, yes, I want to go to Monas, but I get confused how to get there. As you know, there is no information about the transportation that I should take." "Well, there are two ways to go there. The first one, you can take a busway. The second one, you can take a taxi." "Oh, thank you. Is there any close busway station here?" "Yes, of course. You can find it across the hotel and just need to buy the car, and you can see the map of the busway route or ask the busway security." Okay, thanks for your help. Exercise. You have to answer 5 questions about the previous dialogue. The first, what is the topic of the dialogue? The second one, how can Miss Jane go to National Monument or Monas? The third one, why is Miss Jane confused? The fourth one, beside expression of offering help, what other expressions are used in the dialogue? And the last one, what expression is used for offering assistance?